May I request Ankur Chaturvedi from Imami to please share your thoughts.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
We can hear you, sir. Please go on.
Okay. Yeah, I've been listening to all the participants, really insightful, and there are quite a few learnings that I take from here. Uh, and most of the technical aspects on what can be done and what should be done and what is being done have all been covered. Though we are going a bit behind schedule, I would say it is time. It is not a time where we have lost time. I would say that we have consumed this time in a very viable manner, and I'm sure all the participants would take these valuable insights in whatever they are doing. Now, having said that, I would like to add a few points here. When it comes to sustainability, when it comes to protecting the environment or anything which is ethical, it cannot be driven by legislation. You cannot be dictated to do what is right. It needs to be imbibed. Now, when I say that it needs to be imbibed, you can keep making the rules. The rules will keep getting implemented in letter, but the spirit will never be there. And to ensure that the spirit is there, we need to make this the responsibility. When you look at the environmental responsibility, if you look at the curriculum of our schools, do we have an environmental sciences subject in a +2 level? Very young children are taught environment science. And like my younger daughter has EVS as a subject. She's in class 6 now. Now EVS is taken like what we in our times used to have SUPW, and which we would call some useful period wasted, though it was supposed to be socially useful, productive work. But it never added to our academics. It never gave us any credits. So effectively, it was a free period for us to do fun. Now we cannot be taking sustainability as fun. Now what is this resulting in? If you look at the EPR rules and if you look at what has been legislated, all the speakers have spoken about it. It is done very well. We are probably one of the few countries in the world who have got these details worked out. Now, to follow this, we are focusing on compliance. One of the panelists mentioned that we cannot be driven by compliance. We need to be conforming to it. Now, you can comply. When you say compliance, what is the difference between compliance and conformance? Compliance would be to comply in the letter. Conformance would be to ensure that the tangible and intangible objectives are met. To give an example, I am wearing my specs right now. It is compliance. I cannot be fined for not wearing my specs because they are still there. But the true way of wearing my spectacles when it comes to conformance would be to be for them to be there at the right place. Now, the other aspect which comes to this is when you focus too much on compliance, the gray areas or all the devils in our souls creep in. Because if there is a fear of non-compliance, you will think at compliance at the least cost or compliance with the easiest option. And the easiest options are never the best of options. Now, if you look at today, the rules have been made, they're very beautiful, end user certificates. Now, there is no viable system today to ensure that what certificates is being given is genuine. How do you weigh scrap? I actually, out of interest, went to an NGO who claimed to work with rag pickers collecting laminates. And if you look at the laminates they collect, And if you weigh it up, in 1 ton of the laminate that they have collected, over 600 kgs is actually dirt. Laminate is less than 400 kgs. But they're giving you a certificate of collection of 1 ton. Does it really help? Now, this is where the spirit comes. But again, when you go to recycling, if this laminate was to be recycled, only 400 kgs will get recycled. The other thing is, we are getting into these rules are forcing us to get into the trap of downcycling. Now, downcycling in the long term would actually result in bigger hazards rather than actually helping the environment. I would just say one thing: rules can be made, rules will be made. Rules can be followed, rules will be followed. What you need to do is get your heart into it. Thank you.